Oh no, why is Viv crying?
What's happened?
Well,
I've lost my dad!
how will they find me?
Aha! You should stay put and call him. Dad!
I just need a sign. That'll do. Here I am. My baby girl.
I found my dad!
Let's hope nothing ruins this reunion. Oh, is that a portal? This isn't good. Try something else.
Let's call your dad.
Did she forget my number?
Do you know your dad's phone number?
Oh, Viv! Zip zap, in you come. There's a phone book.
Let's find Dad's phone number.
It's not going to be easy.
Here it is!
Can they do it?
5, 6. Hey, look at my dad's number! 5, 6, 2.
She's going to fall.
9.
It's okay, just try again. And no tantrums. One more time.
5, 6, 2, 4, 8, 3.
Hello?
Where are you, Daddy?
I'm in a fantasy world.
What does it look like?
Well, I see giant yellow flowers.
Dad? Gotta hurry!
Will they find me in time?
Look, these are giant yellow flowers.
With fangs.
Or animals. Run!
That's not the right place. Get out of there. Farting flowers.
I see those yellow flowers. Dad is here!
No, that's not me, Viv. I don't know who that is.
What's happened?
I lost my friend!
You should help him. Hopefully they get out alive. What should they do?
We must follow these footprints.
And watch out for monsters.
Ew, we should be careful.
They are everywhere! Run! That was too close. It's like a maze in here. Hey, hey.
Duh! We need to go left. Forward!
Viv will never give up.
Hi, follow us.
We'll help you get out.
But you better move fast. And you're all safe. How sweet.
Thank you for your help! But how did you find me?
We followed your footprints.
Those match my shoes.
And these are my dad's footprints.
Wait!
My dad is there! Why are we back at the mall? Where is my dad?
Listen to Denny.
Hey, Dad is here. We didn't have to leave. We should stay here and call him.
But we did just that!
Let's stick with something that worked.
Hey. But he was not lost here.
But in the fantasy world! Dad! Dad!
Did someone call?
Oh! Ha!
Dad! You found me!
Of course I did.
I came back and you weren't here.
Sorry. Now I know the rules.
What are they, Viv? Tell us.
I should stay put and call you Dad!
Absolutely right. You are great, Viv.
Now everything is fine. I think we lost our dragon.
Ah!
What if Dad was pregnant?
Will I have 2 siblings?
Not really. Let's check how Dad can cope with the role of Mom.
Me? I want to be your baby.
Hope you're ready. Oh. A fire sneeze.
Oh, it's so hot.
Yes, being pregnant can feel hot.
Viv has an idea. Ice cream will cool Dad.
Ah.
But I better test it out. Butterscotch.
It's so cold.
Yes, we can experience different sensations during pregnancy.
Oh, you and the baby are hungry. Let's feed you.
Butterfly cool. Be careful, Dad.
Daddy, let me cook you lunch and you sit down.
And stay out of trouble.
So, what do we have here? We need groceries for our pregnant dad's lunch.
I want fish.
Fish.
I'm going to eat a cupcake.
Cupcake.
I want a burger.
I think I'll have to assemble a burger myself. A bun. Salad. A patty. Cheese. A bun. A burger.
I'm going to eat strawberries.
Strawberries.
Good job.
To grow, a baby needs vitamins from different foods, so Mom eats everything at once.
I'll take that. Yes, please. Don't mind if I do.
I think I lost my appetite.
Was it something I
If you're pregnant, you should go for a walk after lunch. Let's take you to the bench. Mom's flowers are ahead. Jump! The laundry is drying up there. Oh, Dad, have you had a baby yet?
ate? Stop fooling around.
There's a water well over there. It's good that you like to eat.
Hey, I'm getting cramped.
The baby is pushing. It tickles me.
The bench is straight ahead.
I can't take it anymore. It tickles me.
I can't do it anymore. I'm cramped. I'm getting out.
The baby wants to get out. I think we've gone into labor.
I want out.
Come on, push just a little bit more. Congratulations! It's a boy. He looks just like you.
It's finally over. I didn't realize being pregnant was so hard.
Now, you've got diaper changes, feedings, nights without sleep ahead.
Oh, it's just the beginning, haha.
Oh,